So we're out here in DeRidder right now with BadgettsAC&Heating, helping them out with the install. Got 5-ton package unit and curb adapter that we're going to be replacing at a gas station. ICM was nice enough to send me this 3-phase voltage monitor and surge protector combination. It's called the 3VMS. So it basically combines both your surge protection and your voltage monitor into one with a contact, but it comes in this nice box, sealed box. We're gonna have to run a junction box to extend electrical, but won't have to do that. This will be the junction box. So let's get it started. So we got our new package unit installed thanks to BadgettsAC&Heating. Police Mechanicals out here giving them a hand as well, and installing this brand new ICM 3VMS on the unit, which is a combination voltage monitor as well as surge protector. It's got a contactor that will break contact. But let's see what we have it set to currently. I have my line voltage set to 246 because that's in my incoming voltage. I was throwing a fault at first just because it was set from the factory to 208. So we changed that 246 because that's our incoming power. You got a delay on break, which is 15 minutes. Delay on fault, 3 minutes. Over voltage, 5%. Under voltage by 5%. And phase unbalanced by 7%. So everything seems good. As we can see here, we got line 1 to line 3, 246. Line 1 to line 2, 246. Line 2 to line 3, 247.3. I'm not showing any faults on here. We can go back over here to our contactor to our incoming. Line 1 to 3, 246. 1 to 2, 246. 2 to 3, 247. I think this is a really great product from ICM. Comes in this great box right here. I'd like maybe I don't know, maybe some metal latches on here, but these seem sturdy enough. You can lock it. Gotta remember to put my panel back on. It has a nice panel that covers up all this electrical on it, which is screwed in by 3 screws, 1, 2, and
3 underneath the contactor,
and 3 right underneath the contactor. Thank you, Tyler. So I mean, you can lock it. It's got this rubber gasket right here, so it's weatherproof. Well, this is a really nice product. It encompasses everything into one, and especially on units where you have dirty power coming in sometimes. You want to be able to protect your unit, especially when you're putting something brand new on a customer's roof that crapped out before because of voltage imbalance and some dirty power. You just want to make sure you protect this at all costs. So they're getting this thanks to ICM. Thank you, ICM, for sending this out to me. And we will see you on the next go round. All right, so everything's buttoned up, unit's on, pulling around 17.5 amps. Man, ICM was more than patient with me getting this installed. They sent it out to me. I'm an ICM user anyway, and I'll show you some other ICM stuff I have in my truck. I believe I have another phase monitor in my truck, but they sent this out to me maybe 2 months ago, and were more than patient with waiting for me to get it installed. As you all know, I'm more rack refrigeration and commercial HVAC, and a lot of times it's hard to find a unit that's the contactor on here is rated for 40 amps, 50 resistive. So if I were to have a heat kit that pulled a lot of amperage, I'd still be good on it, or I could change my contactor. But nevertheless, they were patient with me, waiting to find something to install this on. And what better than a brand new unit and get a brand new phase monitor with it. So happy HVACing, y'all. Like I said, this is a wonderful product. Hit up ICM if y'all are in commercial or even residential HVAC. They make the voltage monitors and surge protectors for residential as well, single phase equipment. This just so happens to be a three-phase protector. See, show you, I'm not just hacking their stuff. I got surge protectors on my truck, and this is dual voltage. Thing's been on here for a little while. I use the phase monitors on the regular though, but man, they got a nice line of products to protect all your HVAC and refrigeration equipment. So go check them out.